Hey, ready for the live? What live? Ching Marcus Boarding live, of course. New Footwork every day. Are you ready? Remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready? Today, cross, heel, complicado, 7. Are you excited? Let's go. See for yourself first. Let's go. Again. Yeah, this is the move. Let's do it together. Remember, no excuses. Cha-ching. I switch the cameras. Let's go. Are you ready? Let's do it together. You can start with the left or with the right, doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We do cross, step to the side, cross. Yeah, this is Suzi cue, if you know. Now, with the right, heel. Heel, step to the back, and cross. Yeah. Now, again with the right. Cross, open, cross. Now with the left, heel, 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 step, and cross. Now, one more time with the left. Cross, step, cross, heel, heel, step, cross. With the right, cross, step, cross, heel, heel, step, cross. Notice the step here is on the toes. Yeah, one more time with the left. Cross, step, cross, heel, heel, step on the toes, step. Notice this is on the toes, not the, no. Yeah, let's go with the right. Cross, step, cross, heel, heel, step, cross. With the left, cross, step, cross, heel, heel, step, cross. Now with the count. Yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time with the right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is Suzi here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, this is the move. Yes, this is exactly the move. Cha-ching. Wink, you're still here? Amazing. Let's do another practice right now, face to face. No excuses wherever you are. Yes, even in the park. You see the park? Very nice. People are walking here. Yeah, nice. Let's go face to face. With the left. We cross. We open. We cross. Heel. Heel. Step. Step. Yeah. Now with the right. We cross. Cross. Open. Cross. Heel. Heel. Step. Cross. Notice from the toes. No. Yeah. With the left. Cross, step, cross, heel, heel, step to the back, and cross. Cross, step, cross, heel, heel, step, step. Yes. Now, with the count, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Now let's add some for the isolation. Yeah, let's add the shoulders while doing the crosses, while doing the Suzi. Are you ready? Let's go. The shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when we do the heels, let's do pointing with opposite hand. Yeah. Heel, heel. Heel, heel. Yeah, you can point. I usually want to point with 2 fingers, I don't know why, but that looks cool as well. We can do this or this. Let's go. Shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Opposite hands. Shoulders. Opposite hands. Bam, bam, faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah! This is the move, this is the groove. And if you're the serious student, make sure to meet me in the full tutorial, on YouTube. How do you find that? Check the link above to the sites below. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for this move, cross heel C7. Yes, cross heel complicado 7. C stands for complicado. Yeah, pretty complicated. I know. So meet me in the studio for the full tutorial. And by the way, I would remind you, this Marcus body coding. What do we do here? We code universal moves. Yeah. What do I mean by universal? You can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, Bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, Rumba, Samba, Samba. Yes, any style you want. And I urge you, I push you to do this move today. Yes, do it today. First reason, why not? Second reason, because tomorrow there's no footwork. No footwork every day. Marcus body coding now. So let's meet tomorrow, chit-chat with a new footwork. See you tomorrow then.